Not sure if your asphalt driveway needs a simple repair or a full replacement? Let's break it down. Small cracks, minor potholes, or slight drainage issues. A repair can save you money and extend your driveway's life by several years. But widespread alligator cracking, sinking areas, or a driveway over 20 years old? That's a sign it's time for a full replacement. New base, proper grading, and lasting performance. At All Cities Asphalt Paving, we personally inspect your driveway, explain your options, and make sure you get the right solution. No upsells, no guessing. Don't wait for the damage to get worse. Repair or replace with confidence and protect your home investment today. Learn more at allcitiesasphaltpaving.com.